So first of all, congratulations for getting placed as a
Thank you
network
so much.
engineer. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So to start with, tell us about your background, like where did you finish your college, your native, about you, basic information.
Okay. So yeah. So my name is Anurag Dutta. So I have completed my bachelor's in English honors on 2022. So I am from Assam, and I did this course through in virtual mode. Yes, sir. That's it.
Got it. You said in some other degree. What was the degree name?
My art stream. The name of my degree is bachelor's in English honors.
Okay, so it's not something close to IT also.
No, it's totally different, sir.
Completely different. Okay, it's
Yeah.
very close. Got it. So which year passed out you are?
The 2022.
Got it. And after that, have you worked for any companies?
No, sir. No.
So you have a like gap of 2 years.
Yeah, actually, sir, to upgrade my education and technical skills, I choose your course. Yeah.
I understand. You have been studying with us since so many years. Yeah, understood. So talking about Network Rhinos, first of all, there are a lot of training centers across India. Why did you specifically choose Network Rhinos for that online classes?
Yeah. So actually, I was in Bangalore for 1 year.
Achha.
One of my roommate, that means gave me a knowledge about your company. That means about your institute, the Network Rhinos. Actually, I'm searching in my Google that which will be the best company to go for. So one of my roommate told me that I took this course through virtual mode. You can try, and even I got placement also. So yeah, so I got some support itself. So I contact you. So this is the process how I got to know about your institute.
Okay, got it. And why did you choose to go with networking courses? Like being from non-IT background guy, like you came to understand that networking is a good thing for you.
Yeah. Actually, although my educational background is in arts, I choose this Cisco Certified Network Associate course to bridge my passion in the creative problem solving and challenges of today's interconnected world. That is why I chose Network Rhinos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. That's excellent. So next, let's talk about your first day experience, day one experience with Network Rhinos. How was it? Because a lot of people, when they start the training centers or training on the day one, the question that comes to their mind: Will I get job or not? Will I be able to understand the topics or not? So, what was your day one feeling of all about this training?
Yeah, actually, sir, from the first day itself, I was literally nervous. You know, right? I was calling you.
I know. I have so many of your calls.
Yeah. Because I thought that I'm investing the money, so it will be okay that I will get a job as shown in the prospectus, and that means then I called you regarding. Then you also assist me. You also supported me from the first day. The Niveta took our first day training. So she explained me about the resume building, how to update my Naukri, how to update my LinkedIn. So yeah, then 40%. That means I got relief that okay, it will be the nice platform so that I can go for. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So let's talk about the training method like and trainers about. So how was the trainer? Was he knowledgeable enough to teach you? Did he went slow? Did he performed all the labs properly? How about trainer? Who was your trainer actually?
So actually the name of my trainer was Rahul.
Sir, okay, Rahul sir. Fine, got it. So how was your training experience with him?
So first of all, he's really friendly in nature. He's a very good person. I used to call him at any time. He used to pick up my phone. Actually, sometimes I get some confused because I wasn't. That means non-technical background. So I choose technical. Yeah. So I got some confuses. That means obstacles comes. He used to clear everything. He resolved my queries and all. Yeah, he supports me a lot till date. Sir.
Yeah, I know. That's great. Okay, so now next about the labs. So how often you guys do labs in Network Rhinos?
Yeah. First of all, he guide me as he used to give us notes so that we can go for. After completing the notes, he proceed to the lab. Every day we used to the practicals and all, the lab session and all. Actually, I did this course of virtual mode. So yeah, he guide me, and he always I used to do in labs and all.
Okay, that's great. And overall, how many interview attempts you have done so far?
I did many interviews actually. Actually, some that means I was getting distracted because my skills and all, my conversation and all, my communication skills are little bit low. So you guys helped me to improve my skills itself, and thank you so much for that. After that, I cracked this interview
Yeah,
in 2 rounds. Yeah,
that's great actually. It's good. It's good to attend a lot of interviews after completing the course because
yeah,
that's gonna give you an idea on how to crack interviews, what mistakes we are doing, like
yeah,
what
yeah.
we might have done. That's going to help you obviously.
Yes, sir.
Always tell. So next, talking about your management support. So whenever you want some management support apart from Rahul sir support, so how was the management support for you? How about the placement support? About the weekly calls? About the interview questions? How was the experience out of that?
Yeah, the management was really good. They used to update every day. They used to give some update. If there are vacancies are available, if there are some openings are available, they used to give the updates and also share the HR's numbers so that we can go for. Yeah, it's really good.
Got it. Okay, you are part of the premium partners group, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Fine, got it. Next, next above the interview, like the main part. So how was the interview went? Like how did you crack your first round? Like what type of questions they asked? What was the second round? Then when is the joining date? All these things.
Okay. So first of all, there were 3 rounds. Okay. The first one is this one, the consultant. They used to consult my background, how it is, what is it. Then the HR round. Then again the aptitude round. So I cracked the interview in 2 rounds itself. So HR round took me the interview like how to communicate my introduction and all. After that, in technical rounds, he that means asked me about the OSPFs and all, how to communicate from one PC to another PC. That means the VPN, the routing and switching. He asked me some questions and I gave the answer and I got correct.
Okay. So they ask you about OSPFs and all.
Yeah.
It's a tough questions.
Yeah.
Got it. Great. Now let's talk about this final one. So what do you recommend for the next batch students? Because we normally get calls. A lot of people whenever they call, the first question what they ask is that I am from some other background degree we have finished like BSc, BCom, BA and all, and I have
Yeah.
some year gaps. I have not went through any proper training. So what do you suggest? How to crack interviews and how to study this networking course with us?
Yeah. That means people used to say that the practice makes a man perfect. So I was in art stream. So I tried my best. I struggled, and yeah, so I cracked the interview itself. So that's it.
Great. So, yeah, I have seen a lot of Rahul. A lot of times he pings me. I was having that question, this question. So we understood. See, we had one more student called Divya, similar to you, and
Okay.
she also from some degree departments only. But same way she got the job. Like she finished the training within a 2-3 weeks she got the job. And when did you finish your training? Recently, how many months over?
In January, I have completed.
Okay, Jan you finished. Now you got the
Yeah.
placement.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Fine. So this is all about your first video.
Network Rhinos, #1 training and placement company in India. CCNA and cybersecurity courses are available. Contact Vishnu at 9790901210. Network Rhinos, #1 training and